the snowbound forests of Sweden's farmland. Add those big blue skies and a spot of glorious sunshine and presto, this truly is one amazing picture postcard setting. Cue a colourful, noisy, invading procession of supercharged racing machines, and it suddenly becomes a very special place to race. Great to watch, great to take part in.
Yeah, Sweden is always a special event. It's fast and between the snowbanks, so with the great conditions, it's always fun to drive. But yeah, let's say last year it was maybe not so much fun for us as we had to clean the road and it was pretty demanding conditions. But generally, it's always a great place to go.
Rallye Sweden is really enjoyable rally for me, especially if there is a lot of snow. Because then you really feel that you are just alone with your co-driver and with your driving, because there's no lot of noises from the gravel. It's just, you can hear just the bass noise and the engine and the car sound. And it's really easy to focus at driving when there is just you, co-driver and the car.
Sweden is a beautiful rally. Obviously, it's my home event. One day it's been run in Norway, and a lot of Norwegian fans come there, and it's the closest I get from home. Always enjoyed driving on the winter and snow and ice roads. I'm more or less born on them, so that feels very normal to me.
What can I say? If you can't find a better weather or better conditions to drive a rally car, if it's -5 or 10, sunshine, big snowbanks and a fully white icy road, that's the best to drive a rally car.
Get all the action, all live. Anywhere, anytime. WRC Plus, all live.